In this video I will show you how you can get clean filtered water in ICARUS. So the first step, you need to craft this device. It's called a basic water purifier and you can research it in tier 1. It's right here at the beginning of tech tree. And there are two options. You can craft also basic rainwater, but this is not good for beginning, I would say, because you need to wait for rain. So I would craft this basic water purifier, because then you can place it just like this in water and you will get water immediately. But to make it work, you need to get charcoal from campfire. So if you open campfire, you need to take this charcoal and then you want to place it in like this, and now it's going to start collecting and filtering your water. So if you want to drink from it, you just want to come to it and press F to drink. And you can also craft something like this. It's waterskin, so basically just like bottle, and it's in tier 2, so you need to craft it in crafting bench, this waterskin, and then you can come to it and you can collect water to it, and then you can drink it later. So this is how you can get clean filtered water in ICARUS. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.